Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We're continuing the news. We begin this segment with a TVJ News follow-up. Residents of Union District in Clarendon are continuing their quest for justice for 64-year-old Hyacinth Johnson, who was brutally killed in the community more than a month ago. The Clarendon police say the investigations are ongoing and are warning residents against vigilante justice.
The usually quiet community of Union District has not been the same since the gruesome killing of 64-year-old Hyacinth Johnson. On June 1, Miss Johnson, otherwise called Miss June, was found at her home with multiple stab wounds. It is also believed that she was sexually assaulted. Since then, residents say they have been living in fear. At a recent town hall meeting, the residents vented their frustration.
This has never happened in the community, and we're all shaken up. We'd love to know who do this. Would like them to be caught.
It's first time a lot of things happen, but this one get a grip on me, you know. To the heart that I understand, and sometimes I just feel emotion. And I just want the person, the predator who did this, I want him to bring to justice.
Tell me what that's
We need more light, more street light in here. As I said, from down there to go to Grantham, it's very bushy, and we'd like that place to be cleaned.
Earlier this week, they staged a protest against her brutal killing, a signal that the community will not tolerate violence.
We have my feet about this thing here. Believe me to God. The president said, we have never strong belief in jungle justice. I don't know where you want it. What happened here? I want to try to plead it, but
the leadership of the Clarendon Police Division have sought to assure residents that detectives are working hard to find the attacker.
We don't believe this crime is random. We believe that the person who perpetrated this crime is very much familiar with the area. So what we want you to do is to do with the citizens is to assist us so that we can assist you. We believe that somebody have seen, somebody have heard something.
And while residents wait for justice, frustration is boiling over, but the police are urging residents not to engage in vigilante justice.
This is the time to share the information with the police. No time to take matters into your own hands. There is absolutely no reason for you to fear sharing the information with us. We have gotten our contact numbers and we will do the rest.
Hal Shane Burke, TVJ News.